Welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 silicone wiper blades. If you are searching for this type of video, then you are at the right place. Let's get into the video. Wiper blades are important to maintain, as poor wipers can become a safety hazard in heavy rain. The best silicone windshield wiper blades have water-repellent features and can last for some time before needing to be replaced. 5. Meto T6 Silicone Windshield Wiper Blades. A solid contender from a lesser-known competitor, the Meto T6 Silicone Windshield Wiper Blade scores points for being a durable silicone wiper blade at an uber-affordable price point. It also comes backed by a 1-year warranty, to help outweigh the risks of this lesser-known option. These blades are compatible with fewer vehicle models than others but will still work with 96% of vehicle makes out there. One common complaint is that the blades come with one of the adapters already affixed to them, so if that's not the adapter that suits your car, it can be difficult and frustrating to remove it and install the right one. These blades encompass a streamlined shape designed to help eliminate wind noise and streaking. 4. PIAA Super Silicone. The PIAA Super Silicone Wiper Blade came with its own windshield pretreatment package. Cleaning the windshield first and applying the pretreatment added water-beading protection over the entire surface. And set the glass up for the silicone wiper blades. The simple yet effective frame design was a perfect match to the factory satin black trim, and a small PIAA logo on each frame was a premium finishing touch. The PIAA Super Silicone Wiper Blades performed well on the test rig and out on the road. The windshield treatment helped the wipers get the job done. And the super silicone blades were silent into the dry transition. PIAA is the only company in the test that offers wiper blade refills. At roughly half the full wiper assembly price, refills can offset the initial high cost over time. The inexplicable lack of a bayonet wiper arm connector bumped the proven performer out of a top slot. The extensive pre-treatment procedure was also somewhat time-consuming. 3. Rain-X Silicone Endura. The Rain-X Silicone Endura beam-style wiper is an excellent choice in the silicone wiper category and silently dispatched water as it left a coating of time-proven Rain-X windshield treatment. The synthetic silicone blade material is formulated for use from a teeth-chattering -20 degrees up to rubber-deforming 194 degrees, and Rain-X claims the Endura can outlive its conventional beam wiper blades 2 to 1. Proprietary graphite treatment helped the wiper blades glide across the windshield, and the Rain-X Endura remains silent in the crucial transition from wet to dry. The flexible leading edge resists ice buildup. The only fault with the Rain-X Silicone Endura was with the Uni-Click connector. The design was far better than most, but like so many other beam-style wipers, the mounting position left the wiper arm riding too high off the windshield. The resulting deflection was minimal but would have only worsened with time in an ongoing metal versus plastic war of attrition that neither side would win. 2. Silblade Premium. The Silblade Premium is the company's conventional frame-style product. The traditional steel chassis wears a powder-coated finish for durable good looks, and the 6-point structure maintains even blade pressure on the windshield. Silblade's patented silicone rubber formula adds graphite and PTFE for improved performance from the same stuff that makes fried eggs slide out of the pan. Hooking the Silblade up to the wiper arm was uneventful, and the pre-installed connector fit firmly on the bayonet arm with a positive click. No special break-in was required, and the Silblade delivered excellent performance minutes after installation. The connector kept the wiper in the zone across the entire sweep with no deflection. The Silblade Premium and its frame-type PIAA contender developed a slight squeak at the bottom right of the passenger side wiper arm sweep. We made a few adjustments to the Starlet's wiper arms and dialed it out. The same noise in the same spot across 2 sets of windshield wipers means that the wipers are not the problem. Suspect wiper arms or a greasy windshield if your new wipers chatter and squeak worse than the old ones. 1. Michelin Endurance XT. Excellent performance, realistic durability claims, and ready availability earned the Michelin Endurance XT our overall best silicone wiper pick. The advanced silicone compound blade can handle searing 195-degree heat and remains flexible down to -80 degrees Fahrenheit. The well-designed connector made installation a snap. Michelin recommended a clean windshield like any other manufacturer, but the break-in procedure was a little unusual. The instructions stated to run the new wipers on a dry windshield for at least 5 minutes to break in the Endurance XT QuadTech 4-layer coated silicone blade. I'm not sure of the science involved in the procedure, but it worked. The duckbill-shaped aerodynamic leading edge was particularly effective against water in static and road tests. The spray testing rig was so appealing to the pecan ducks next door that they came over for some water of their own. Their beaks likely shed water better than the wiper, but the Michelin duckbill design beat the low-speed waddlers in high-speed noise reduction. If you enjoy this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.